Hello everyone. Today we will understand how you can create good quality, high resolution images and those images which are acceptable by journals. So oftentimes what happens is researchers, they have the opportunity to provide the images to journals in the form of research papers, in the form of review papers. But you have seen many of the images that are there in the internet will have low quality or, when you submit it to a good journal, they're going to ask you for high quality, high resolution images, right? And people find it very difficult to create those high quality images, including myself. So I was struggling through this problem and trying to, get good quality images for my publication. And, I was able to find out a way which will definitely help you creating a good quality image. So what we do as researcher, I think you are also doing that. So final image you create in a particular software. If you're using Inkscape, then that should not be a problem. But if you're compiling the data, the image that you're getting from, let's say microscopy and all, and then compiling it to a final one single image format, in that case, it becomes really difficult because you are putting those things in a software. Let's say many of the people, they use Microsoft PowerPoint. I think it's really powerful, but people don't know how to use it effectively. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you exactly that, how you can get good quality image, right? So without any delay, let's start. Okay, we are here at my desktop, and let me show you the image. So I have created the PowerPoint presentation format for my graphical abstract. So this is graphical abstract, and this is being published in a journal, South African Journal of Botany, and you can read this paper where what we are trying to find as effect of citrus sinensis fruit peel phytochemicals. So what we have done is we have taken the citrus sinensis fruit peel and seen the activity of that against Pseudomonas aeruginosa or biofilms. So this got published, and if you scroll down, you will see one image like this, right? So you can see journal have edited this image in a low quality format, and you can download that full size image also. Let me download the low resolution. So this is the high resolution. Low resolution image is this. So low resolution image, you can see that you are not able to see, even read, or you can't see details and all. So this is the low quality or low resolution image. So that is what journal they don't want. They want them to have high quality images. So as an author, you have to give high quality images. Now let's move back and download the high quality image. And as you can see over here, this is the high quality image. And high quality image means high resolution means if you zoom in, you will not see these pixels that are getting blurred. But on the other hand, you can see it's blurry, right? You can't even read the text over here. So that is the low quality, and this is the high quality image, and this is what you need to actually provide. So let me show you what I have and how you can create really good quality, high quality images from PowerPoint. So what I've done is I've taken those images individually, kept it, created this entire illustration by myself. This is the data from the paper and all, right? And I've created this entire schematic in a PPT. Now I want to have a good quality PNG image or JPEG image for this one. Most of the time it is recommended that you give PNG images to the journal, right? So what I'm going to do is one way to get the PNG image, which obviously will be low quality. What you can do, and what most of us do, we go to File, we go to Save As, we go to this section where it is written PowerPoint presentation. We'll click on the drop down menu, and you have a lot of options over here. Then we'll select PNG directly, right? And what I'll do is I'll just click on and it got saved. Now, if I go back to the desktop where I'll see the PNG image, so that's the PNG image over here. If I click, you will see it's a decent image. It's not bad. It's fine, but it's not good quality image that you should be submitting to journals, right? Because if you see, if I zoom in, you can actually see a little bit blurriness in the image. Pixels, they are not sharp, right? Right over here. Look at this, right? It's blurry. It's blurry. It's not sharp. So and journals, they want sharp images. So what you need to do is you need to actually find an alternative way to actually get good quality. I'll just keep it like that so that we can see the difference. Okay. Now go back to your original image which you have compiled. So for that, the step number 1, okay, so this is what you have to follow. Step number 1, go to File, then again go to Save As, same step, but now save the image as enhanced meta file, which is EMF format, right over here. EMF format, enhanced window meta file. if you click right over here, the same thing you're going to do is click one slide, and you will find out another image that got created, which is EMF image. Now click on that EMF image, copy it, again go to PPT, create a new slide right over here, and then delete everything else, paste it over here. Look at this. And now if you see carefully, if I zoom in into this image, it's going to automatically correct all the pixels. I'm sorry if it is difficult for you to visualize, but as you can see over here, on the higher, very, very high zoom in, I can see that it's very, very sharp, and the text is also very sharp. Right over here, images like that. That is the quality of the image that you put. Right over here, it's a very good quality image. On that side, you can see it's very sharp, right? So you got EMF image right over here, and you will say, sir, it was also similar right over here. So what was the difference, right? And it's not PNG image. So here is the trick. What you will do now, if you see, this is a complete image. Okay, so that is what we have created. Right over here, these are individual components. So right now we have created a separate image, which is right over here. Now what you need to do, simply right click on this image like this, right click, save as, say picture as. Okay, I'll show you again. Right click, save as picture, and it will be saved in the picture, and you just click save. So in the picture folder, or wherever you want to actually save, you can go, you will find picture 1 right over here, picture 2. So I think we have saved in again EMF file format. So you have to change that. Okay, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to again redo this and save as picture. And then here we need to change it to, either you can do portable network graphics, PNG, TIFF format is also there, but most acceptable is the PNG. So I'll click on that. This is the picture 3. I'll save. So when I'll open picture 3 over here, and that's the picture 3. So this is PNG image. Now see, if I zoom in right over here, look at the quality. Very, very sharp, right? And at the same time, if I see the image that we have created by just directly saving from PowerPoint, which is right over here, look at the difference. This, and I think I need to keep it separate so that we can actually see them parallelly, right? So if I right click on this one, I'll open this with photos and zoom in. I'll show you the difference right over here. So this is one image, and then I'll open the second one, which was picture 3. Open with, let's do this with, I don't have much tools over here. With paint, well, we can zoom in using paint for sure. Okay, right over here. All right. Oh, okay. So that's one. And in backside, you see this. Look at the difference. You can clearly see the difference, right? Look at these numbers. And this is PNG image. This is also PNG image. And you can actually see how much difference is there. I can see these stars very, very clearly. I can see, lines. I can read nicely. But over here, I can't even see anything at all. So this is another way. Maybe you are using any different ways out there, but this was something that I thought I should be sharing, because people struggle a lot. They are not able to create good quality images, and they suffer this, and end up giving very low quality images to the journal, and journal get annoyed. Journal people, they get annoyed, and they will just simply reject your paper, right? Good quality images are really, really important when it comes to sending papers or publishing papers. So this is something I wanted to share. The same kind of things we do share in our YouTube channel. We also have a website where I have created multiple courses where I show you these kind of important skills. In addition to that, we have a lot of different courses on how to write papers, how to do bioinformatics analysis, computational drug discovery, and a lot of different courses I'm creating on those topics, right? So if you're interested in those, please visit the website. I'll put the link in the description box, and I'm looking forward to meet you in those courses, right? All right, till then, take care, and I hope that your next publication, when you submit that paper, will have very, very good quality images. Thank you, everyone.